Hello and welcome back. Today I am sharing my sea moss black soap process. What I like to do is start with my black soap. I should have some of this available on beautifulbonnetbabes.etsy.com. I shave it using just a little peeler. You can use a knife if you like to. I like to use the peeler because it basically gets it really small. So once I'm done with that, I have some water already boiling, and you can actually mix this half and half with some room temperature water, or you can go ahead and add some more. You can add about two of those for half of a bar, so it's basically half a pound that I'd use for this project. Those are my oils in the background. I don't share all the oils, but you can kind of see what I have back there. And I also have my sea moss. So I add my oil, I add about a cup of oil. For my sea moss, I use that white tablespoon right there that I add. And when I use my sea moss, I make sure I strain it really well because you don't want any of the granules of it or anything like that. Make sure you clean it very well because you don't want it into your mixture. And as you can see, I'm just adding it in. And that's another reason why I use the hot water as well, so it can really dissolve and get all those good properties going up in there. But anyway, I let it sit overnight, and I also use a cheesecloth to strain all of this out before I package it, before I put it in any kind of bottle to use for later. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be sharing some of the properties as well. I wasn't able to put it in this video, but I will share my little slide that I created separately. And again, I do have this available in a pump, and I have the foam, and it's available on beautifulbonnetbabes.etsy.com. See you guys next time.